Hello everyone, Janet Smith here, and today I want to show you how to create text clips in CinchShare. What are text clips, you might be asking? Text clips are an easy way to say the same thing over and over within your post without typing the same thing over and over. You can create quick little text groups and bundle them together and save it. So that way, whenever you're creating a post, you can just click that text clip and add it right into your post. Let me show you what that looks like. So we're on the default page when you open up your CinchShare account, which is the schedule a post page. So if we are, let's just say we are creating a post around this gorgeous pillow right here, and we want to say, here is for the week. You are not weak. And so, in addition to this post, we might want to add some additional information about our company. So, within text clips, you can add the main thing, which is hashtags. So, you can add a group of hashtags within a text clip and save them. So that way you don't have to type them out each time. So you can also add text clips. I have a little blurb here for my monthly subscription boxes. So you can add that information in as well. You can add information about your company. So this is information about the company so that you don't have to type that over each time. And you can also add information about, let's see, what else do we want to add in here? You can add local hashtags as well. So basically, any information that you are consistently sharing with your audience, you can create a text clip for it. So that way you don't have to type it out every single time. You can just click on that text clip and it's going to populate it right into your post. What are some things that you can use text clips for? You can use it for your company info. If you have subscriptions, you can use it for that. You can use it if you are partnering or recruiting additional members for your team. You can use it for that. If you want to share a link for your website, you can use it for that as well, or a link for your social or your party event. You can link it to that as well. Text clips are amazing, and you can put absolutely anything you want in there. You can put a thank you message that you normally would say to your audience, or a quote that you're known for as well. You can add anything to your text clips. It's as easy as creating them and saving them. So this is what the post would look like when you're creating a text clip, and this is how you would save them within your post. If you look over here on the left-hand side of your screen, the third icon down is actually your text clips. So we're going to leave this page and we're going to go over there really quick. So these are all the text clips that I have created. So you can, in the upper right-hand corner, create a new text clip. You can label it anything that you want, new text clip, and then you can add all of your information in here. Add your info to your text clip. And let me move myself up here, and then you can save it. So if you go back to the schedule a post page, you can find that text clip that we just created, which was the new text clip, and the message was add your info into your text clip. So add your info into your text clips and save them. Make it quick and convenient for you when using CinchShare. Thanks for watching.